Topic 1. Markets show strong AI and semiconductor-led themes. SK Hynix, Samsung, Cerebras, AI data center trade. Markets have rallied as AI infrastructure, data center-related names, and semiconductor stocks reclaimed leadership. Easing concerns about growth stocks and deleveraging helped renew a tech and memory-driven rally. From the U.S. angle, Jim Cramer sees an AI data center trade rebounding. Intel's strong equity demand, beat and raise results from Supermicro, Lumentum, Nebius, and CoreWeave, plus cooling CPI have restored group confidence. CoreWeave results reinforced residual value in older NVIDIA GPUs, and Fed talks of roughly $500 billion in compute assetization. In Korea, KOSPI entered a technical bull market on gains in chip leaders Samsung and SK Hynix, with memory names leading the index rebound. Strategists see further upside but warn of concentration, valuation, U.S. rates, dollar moves, and hyperscaler capex guidance as risks. SK Hynix is reported to be pursuing an ultra-large memory fab investment. Article cited about $720 billion, pushing HBM's share and long-term supply ties with NVIDIA, and raised roughly $26.5 billion via a NASDAQ listing, yet faces big volatility, competition, Micron, China, export controls, and execution risk. Some peers like Cerebras and Cisco show that disappointing hardware margins or guidance can quickly temper enthusiasm. Topic 2. Hackers deployed autonomous AI agents in attacks on Taiwan. Over 4 days in July, attackers deployed fully autonomous AI agents against Taiwanese government entities, according to Israeli security firm Dream and other experts. This is reported as the first known fully autonomous attack on government targets. The AI system mapped 21 government systems, stole 85 government user accounts, and exfiltrated about 2,500 personnel records. Targets included nuclear safety offices, IT suppliers, and energy firms. Attackers combined open-source AI agents, e.g. OpenClaw, coordinating up to 8 agents to perform reconnaissance, credential attacks, and next-step planning without human intervention. Agents adapted and learned replacement tactics if blocked, behaving like a human team. Documents containing simplified Chinese characters raised suspicions of China-linked origins, but no party has officially confirmed attribution. Defenders warn the case shows attacker costs fall while defense remains expensive, highlighting urgent needs for regulation and stronger cyber defenses. Topic 3. Middle East tensions and Iran-related developments, including Gulf shipping disruptions, higher oil prices, and talk of Iran joining BRICS finance. Shipping and regional security have worsened after attacks in the Gulf of Oman, Red Sea, and nearby waters, plus a spill incident near Oman, causing vessel casualties and reduced transparency as some ships turned off AIS transponders. Safety concerns in the Strait of Hormuz and Bab al-Mandeb have sharply reduced transit volumes. Local authorities claimed a de facto Hormuz blockade until Iranian terms are met, and rerouting avoidance has disrupted shipping efficiency. Attacks, spills, and route risks lifted oil prices into the roughly $80 range, prompted downward revisions to supply-demand outlooks, and raised fears of cumulative supply losses. Estimates of lost shipments differ widely between U.S. officials and private trackers, reflecting opaque ship-to-ship transfers and data gaps. States and shippers are shifting to alternate export routes and paying higher fuel, insurance, storage costs. Diplomatic and military standoffs continue, and Iran's reported move to join the BRICS New Development Bank, NDB, not yet confirmed by the NDB, signals Tehran seeking alternative finance amid sanctions, layering geopolitical and financial risk on top of energy market instability. Topic 4. Wholesale inflation comes in flat. July PPI, headline, was flat month over month at 0.0%, consensus plus 0.2%, and core PPI ex food and energy rose 0.2%, consensus 0.3%. Year over year, headline PPI cooled to 4.7% from 5%.